Okay, so we're at the Hard Rock Beach in Punta Cana, one of the best beaches in all of Dominican. It's also one of the roughest today. And as you see, it's beautiful. So we're just going to walk the beach here and just kind of show you how nice it is. And for anybody that comes to this resort, this is what you're going to get to play on.
Oh, a nice place to play on.
It sure is. It's so wide. They've got those cabanas back there. They got more down over there. They've got this huge wide beach with soft sand, and I think it's the best beach in Dominican. So if you're coming here, this is what you're going to get to enjoy. Lots of sand to play on. And a beautiful view. Made to rock. She sure is. So this is a pretty popular spot to get your picture and take videos, do your social media thing. Okay, but this is Hard Rock Punta Cana, the most beautiful beach in Dominican. Here's some music back there playing. And of course, Hard Rock's known for that. Lots of entertaining and lots of pool parties. But the beach gets overlooked here because everybody comes here, I think, for the pool parties and the entertainment at Hard Rock and the food. But the beach gets overlooked because it's really beautiful. So if you're a beach person, you're going to love Hard Rock Punta Cana. So we'll walk a little closer to the beach here for you.
We're not getting paid to do this.
Yes, we're not getting paid to do this. This just happens to be my favorite beach, so I'm just doing a short video for all those Hard Rock Punta Cana visitors.
Yeah.
And even though it is a little rough, it's actually red flagged, there are lifeguards out here.
Yeah. And he was keeping people on check.
Yes, he was keeping people in check, so.
Yeah.
But you see the red flag. But I was just in the water, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
So you can walk far out and it's still only waist high.
It's nice to know that it's a lifeguard.
Yeah, exactly.
And a lifeguard that can actually pull you up.
Yeah, yeah, he's a young guy that looks like he's in shape.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, so if you're coming here, this is what you get to play on. It sure is a beautiful beach. Louisa's trying to run away from the water because she's got shoes on. But it got you?
A little bit.
Yeah. But yeah, what a beautiful beach. Hard Rock Punta Cana. Very beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.